I'm going to give you 5 reasons why you will lose money if you don't make a game plan now. Number 1, understanding your home's value. Do you know how much your home is worth? I'm not talking about Zillow. I'm talking about having a professional analysis of your home. How is this done, you ask? As a professional, we use the last 6 months of similar sold properties in the immediate area with as many common features and updates to forecast what a buyer would be willing to pay, and just as important, what a mortgage company will lend to their buyer for the mortgage amount. Now, the real skill here is finding the price that will have the buyer pay you, the seller, top dollar, and their lender to give the money without a low appraisal. Once I have seen the property for myself and all of its special features, we can nail down the price of the home. Once we have the value, we can start working on the net proceeds so that you will know for yourself if the sale ultimately will make financial sense for you. Number 2, when is the best time to list your home? Here in Michigan, real estate market has seasonal ups and downs. Let me start by saying that every year is different. It has its own personality. Ultimately, the market is controlled by inventory. That is the amount of houses that is available to satisfy buyer demand. The selling season actually begins in mid-January. Actually, that is a surprisingly strong time to sell due to very low houses being available. The market then ramps up at full force in April, and peak season continues through mid-August. Fall will typically become more balanced, with buyer demand beginning to slow at Labor Day since buyers with children will start school again. The market really slows down once Thanksgiving hits, and that lasts through the holidays into mid-January. To piggyback, a clean home is decluttering personal items out of the house. The benefits to decluttering the home include making the home more spacious. Buyers will be focused on the home rather than distracted by all your stuff, and also be able to envision their own belongings furnishing the space. The buyer will also be focused on the layout, architecture, and the unique aspects of the property when it's not hidden under unnecessary items. A major benefit of decluttering for you as a homeowner, it will also streamline the packing when you move out. A double bonus. Number 4, preparing the home's condition. Every listing I take, I hire my professional home inspector to give you, the seller, a pre-listing inspection. This helps identify any potential issues with the property beforehand, allowing you to address and correct the issue rather than the buyers negotiating thousands of dollars from you. We review the list together and put together a game plan on the items that need to be addressed prior to hitting the market. The best bang for your buck? A fresh coat of paint. A $30 can worth thousands of dollars on the wall. Stick to the neutral colors as they appeal to a wider range of buyers. Once the condition is ready, we move on to the final item. Item 5, staging the home. Another benefit of working with me, I hire my professional staging team to give you a free consultation to prepare your home. These professionals are incredibly talented and their work shouldn't go overlooked. Here's what I know of the advantages of staging. According to the National Association of Realtor, staged homes spend 75% less time on market compared to non-staged homes. Staging can also lead to a higher price. The Real Estate Staging Association reports that homes that are professionally staged can sell for up to 20% more than non-staged homes. Staged homes tend to have better online presence and photos. 85% of buyers start their search online with professional photos, and staging receive more views and attention on real estate sites. Lastly, well-staged homes can create an emotional connection with the buyers, and that's what we are looking for, helping the buyers imagine themselves living in their new dream home. If you are considering selling but don't know where to start, reach out. I will provide you with a 100% educational, no cost or obligation meeting to provide great information so you can make your best decisions.